I just arrived here. And I want to say today is a very unique day, very special day, very historic day that we have all come here to celebrate. Uh, Personally, I have not been to Ethiopia, unfortunately. But I have the spirit of the same spirit that you guys have. We all fought in one way or another, supporting the movement. And May 16th, as we all know, is a very important day, and that's why we are here today. And I want to say, there's nothing much we can do. When you go to the internet, when you go to Facebook, social medias, you'll find people talking so much about South Sudan. But when I sit down and think about South Sudan, I think we all have a responsibility as South Sudanese. It's not about Riek Machar or Kir Mayar or Taban or anybody. But the responsibility lies on you and me. What can we do to change South Sudan? It all starts with you and me. And by changing South Sudan, we need to start by loving ourselves. If I have a brother here from Equatorial community, I want to see him as a brother. If he's from Nuer, I want to see him as a brother. And that's how we can start changing South Sudan. The war has come, it's gone, we are now looking for peace. And we all went to the bush so that we can have peace. So as people in Arizona, we have started, and that's why we gather here today to celebrate this day, to think about those who lost their lives and those who are still struggling in South Sudan today. So I'm not going to talk too much. It's a day we need to reflect on what we have gone through as South Sudanese and what can we do at an individual level. What can you do, what can I do so that South Sudan can be a country that is respected and that is dignified by other countries. Otherwise, I appreciate the leadership of South Sudanese SPLA chapter here in Tucson, SPLM chapter, in Phoenix, and all the members here for coming out to celebrate this day. I know today is not weekend, a lot of people are at work, but we try to come so that this day is celebrated and is remembered. Thank you so much, and I hope we all start doing something as South Sudanese. Thank you.
Thank you, brother.